Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a new addition to my jewelry collection from, who else? Cartier. But before we unbox it, let me tell you a little backstory on my love with Cartier. A while back, when I was still spending ridiculous amount of money on Louis Vuitton purses that I didn't need, I used to spend my morning reading posts on Purse Blog. One day, I stumbled on a subforum about Cartier. I thought, yeah, obviously people are paying for the name. That bracelet does not worth $7,000. Then, I don't know what happened on my birthday, but I received a Hermès belt. Yes, this one here, which was smaller than my head, and a love bracelet from Cartier. While the Hermès belt was tiny, the love bracelet was huge. I don't know what air my husband was breathing when he was shopping for my birthday gift, but the Hermès belt had to be returned. However, I couldn't exchange the love bracelet because it was already engraved, so it stayed mostly in its box for the past 4 years. The bracelet is a size 19. While it was loose, I could still carry it at the time since I was a bit rounder. I tried to wear it a few times, but the bracelet is known to be prone to scratches and always slid up and down my wrist, making it even more likely to get scratched. The more I look at the bracelet, the more I want to get more Cartier pieces. No, I'm not a compulsive Cartier buyer yet. As you can see, my collection is pretty minimal. However, I couldn't get my mind off the iconic love bracelet. I told myself that even if it is over $10,000, I would still buy it myself. But this time, I want to buy it at the store. So I arranged a trip to the closest Cartier store, which is 7 hours away from home. As an inexperienced YouTuber and introvert myself, I literally forgot to take any footage of the experience at the Cartier store. I had been there a year ago for my love necklace adjustment, but had never bought anything physically here. Was I excited? Yes and no. I guess I kept repeating in my head how much of a moron I was for not falling into the rabbit hole sooner back then, when it was still $7,000, but now it's $10,000. All along as I walked to the store. Once there, I was greeted with sparkling water and chocolates. I tried the original love bracelet and the cuff model. I was considering the cuff model because it would be easier to remove, as I don't like to wear jewelry to sleep. My husband wasn't happy about it, saying I look silly with those things and that they look like handcuffs. My sales associate was very considerate. She put the red bag inside a plain white bag with a cover. So, here it is. This is a true unboxing. Believe it or not, I bought it 4 months ago, but since I was too busy with personal matters, the purchase remained intact until today. I really want to share this real unboxing moment with you all. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have the receipt here, nothing special to say about that, and then the certificate. I think this is the cleaning kit. Then we have the traveling pouch with a little pillow for your bracelet. Oh, here comes the main dish with the iconic seal. The stuffing paper is so pretty. It has that Paris vintage voyage vibe. It has this hot air balloon. It's very cute. Let's unbox the cleaning kit. According to some YouTube video I've watched, apparently there's a waiting list for it. This is my first cleaning kit. The love bracelet I got from the online store didn't come with any kit or pillow for my bracelet. so I'm very happy to get this one this time. Inside the kit, we have a spray bottle with a cleaning solution inside. The bottle is made of plastic. Then there's a brush with very soft bristle, though I'm not sure I want to use it. We also have a very soft microfiber with cleaning cloth. Oh wow, even the inside of the box is the same velvet material as the jewelry box. The other day I saw on the website that they sell a keychain with this wax seal on it. While I find it original, I'm not sure I want to pay $700 for that. If I had peeled it better, maybe I could have made one myself. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, here she is. Ready? Ta-da! Juste-un-clou. I think you should know what it means, but let's pretend you don't. It means just a nail. Okay, let's go on the website to check its details like usually I do in my boring unboxing videos. So, on the website, under jewelry, under Juste-un-clou, then Juste-un-clou bracelet in yellow gold, small model. The bracelet is set with 20 brine cut diamond totaling 0.18 carats. It is 6,750 Canadian and 5,050 US dollars. For fun, I check in Japanese yen and Korean won and euro to see which one is the cheapest to buy after the conversion. The conclusion, it is cheaper to buy in Canada. However, it might be good for tourists since you guys can get the tax refunded. But for us, Canadian, it is about 7,760 with the taxes, which is the real turnoff. While I was browsing the website, I noticed that Cartier has a new try-on feature. Let's try it out. They give you a QR code to scan, and then you need to accept some agreements before using it. Here are the results. To be honest, I find it misleading. It looks bigger than it does in real life. Let's compare with the real one with this try-on video. Yeah, I was right. It looks more like the regular size than the small one. So beware if you are using this new feature to help you make your next purchase. It looks much smaller in person. Also, it seems my arm looks 10 years younger and slimmer too. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and it's not easy. The sales associate told me to be careful to not open it too wide. I see that in the brochure, it teaches you how to put it on yourself. But still, as you can see, it kind of scratched my wrist. I had that red spot for a few minutes, and I have to admit it was a struggle the first time. However, after a few tries, you get less chicken and it gets easier. Okay, now let's try it with the small love bracelet. I don't know why, but at the store it seems to fit better. Now my love bracelet has gotten so big that it just slides over the Juste-un-clou easily. I tried wearing both one day and felt miserable because I wasn't comfortable. It felt like the love bracelet was continuously gliding over the Juste-un-clou. So I had to move the love higher to lock it in place on my fat arm to keep it from moving. I like carefree luxury, and this time it was totally off. I'm not sure if I've lost some weight on my wrist or what. At the store, it was fitting fine, but after 4 months, it doesn't fit anymore. Does it mean I have to buy another bracelet? Is the original love bracelet calling my name now? Anyways, thank you for being here to listen to all my ramblings and let me share with you my first Cartier purchase from the store. I have a Louis Vuitton item to unbox with you in my next video. It's more a review because they didn't do any fancy wrapping this time and I already know what is inside. So yeah, I'm planning to go to Cartier soon, but I'm not sure if I should get the love bracelet this time or something else. What do you suggest? Please let me know. I need your help to decide. Until then, take care and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.